The action camera world is about to change. DJI has officially confirmed the launch of the Osmo Nano, and the date is set for September 23rd, 2025. This is not just another gadget release. DJI, a brand known for drones and larger action cameras, is stepping into a completely new category. The Osmo Nano is designed to be ultra-compact, wearable, and so small that you can carry it anywhere without even noticing it. For more than a decade, GoPro has been the king of action cameras. Their products have been used in extreme sports, travel vlogs, and all kinds of adventures. DJI challenged that space with its Osmo Action series, offering rugged designs and advanced stabilization. But now, the market itself is changing. People no longer want a camera only for snowboarding or surfing. They want something lighter, smaller, and always ready for quick moments. A camera you can snap onto your shirt, clip onto a helmet, or carry around daily without effort. This shift is not just about convenience. It's about creativity. The huge success of tiny magnetic cameras like the Insta360 Go proved there's massive demand for wearable, compact devices. DJI has been watching closely, and the Osmo Nano is their answer to this new demand. Instead of copying GoPro, DJI is carving out its own space with a product that feels like the start of a whole new category of cameras. The design of the DJI Osmo Nano is unlike anything we've seen before. Most action cameras rely on a single mounting point, but the Nano takes a completely different approach. It is magnetic from every angle. This means you can attach it directly to your shirt for a hands-free vlog, snap it onto a helmet for sports, or even stick it onto a metal surface like a pole or a fridge for creative shots. This kind of design isn't just about saving time. It's about giving creators the freedom to capture from angles that were once impossible, without extra gear. The Nano adapts to your environment instead of forcing you to carry bulky setups. Alongside the camera, DJI is also preparing an entire ecosystem of accessories. Shirt magnets, chest straps, helmet clips, headbands, vehicle mounts, and even GoPro-style adapters will be available. This makes the Nano instantly useful for both new users and people who already own GoPro accessories. And yes, it even comes with a magnetic safety lanyard, because no one wants to see their brand new camera falling off during an adventure. One of the most exciting parts of the Osmo Nano is its modular system. Instead of being a single fixed device, it comes into parts. The first is the camera module. It's unbelievably small, weighing only 58 grams, lighter than most pocket lighters. This tiny piece is what you'll wear, clip, or mount. To keep it as compact as possible, it doesn't have a screen. The second part is the old pod. This is where the controls and interface live. It has a bright touch screen for framing, playback, and settings. The pod is also reversible, which means you can flip it forward for selfies and vlogging, or backward for point-of-view action shots. DJI has also added smart controls. With simple gestures or voice commands, you can start recording, switch modes, or take a photo all without touching the device. This flexibility makes the Nano stand out. You get minimal weight when you just want to capture quickly, and a full control hub when you need more options. At the heart of the Osmo Nano is a proven camera sensor. DJI has chosen the same 1.3-inch CMOS sensor that powered the Osmo Action 4, and even the Mini 5 Pro drone. This choice shows that DJI isn't experimenting with untested hardware. Instead, they are relying on a sensor that creators already trust. This sensor is known for its excellent low-light performance, balanced color tones, and strong dynamic range. That means your sunrise shots, sunset captures, and high-contrast scenes will look natural and professional straight out of the camera. Another big advantage is consistency. If you already own a DJI drone or another DJI camera, the Osmo Nano will match your footage. Colors and details will align perfectly, saving you the time and effort of color grading later. By reusing this sensor, DJI keeps quality high while also reducing costs, which makes the Nano more affordable without sacrificing performance. When it comes to video, the Osmo Nano is built to impress. It can record in 4K at 60 frames per second, giving you smooth and detailed footage for everyday use. For slow motion, it pushes even further with 4K at 120 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second. That means you can capture fast action like sports or quick movements in cinematic slow motion. Stability is another key strength. The Nano comes with DJI's rock-steady stabilization, which keeps your shots smooth even when you're running or riding. It also features horizon lock, so your footage stays level even if the camera tilts or spins. Together, These features turn the Osmo Nano from a simple wearable into a true cinematic tool packed into a tiny form. Battery life is often a weak point in small cameras, but the Osmo Nano handles it well. It offers up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording, which is more than enough for most vloggers, athletes, or travelers capturing their day. And if you run low on power, charging won't keep you waiting. With USB-C fast charging, the Nano can reach 80% in just 20 minutes. That means even a short break is enough to get you back in action. For creators on the move, this quick top-up feature makes a big difference. Storage is another area where the Osmo Nano gives users flexibility. It will be available into models, one with 64 gigabytes and another with 128 gigabytes of built-in memory. This internal storage makes the camera more reliable, since you don't always have to depend on external cards. At the same time, DJI hasn't ignored expansion. The Nano also includes a microSD card slot, so you can add more space whenever you need it. With this dual system, you don't have to worry about running out of storage in the middle of a shoot. And you don't have to rely on fragile cards alone. It's a smart balance between convenience and security. Hardware is only part of the story. What makes the Osmo Nano even more powerful is its software. It connects seamlessly with the DJI Mimo app, which is designed to help creators edit and share content quickly inside the app. You get real-time editing tools, ready-made templates, and filters that make your footage look polished instantly. There are also AI-driven shot suggestions, which guide you with framing ideas and camera moves, making it easier to capture professional-looking content without much effort. Sharing is just as fast. The Nano is optimized for today's platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. In a few taps, your clips are ready to post, making it the perfect tool for short-form content creators who need speed and quality at the same time. Now let's talk about pricing. The Osmo Nano will come into versions. The 64GB model is expected to cost between $369 and $399, while the 128GB version will likely fall between $399 and $429. This pricing is very competitive. It undercuts the GoPro Hero 13 and also puts pressure on Insta360's smaller cameras. When you factor in the premium sensor, the modular design, the magnetic system, and DJI's trusted brand reputation, the Osmo Nano is shaping up to be one of the best value action cameras of 2025. The Osmo Nano is more than just another action camera. It's designed for a wide range of people. Travelers will love how light and portable it is. Athletes and adventurers can wear it without being weighed down. Parents can clip it anywhere to capture family moments with no setup required. And for content creators, it's a tool that makes short-form video creation fast and effortless. This camera is about redefining what an everyday carry camera means. It brings professional-grade imaging into a body so small that you can carry it all day without even noticing it. For many people, the Nano could become the camera they reach for first, not just on adventures but in daily life. The DJI Osmo Nano could easily become the biggest action camera launch of 2025. It combines a clever magnetic design, a flexible modular system, a proven sensor, powerful video specs, reliable battery life, and competitive pricing. All of these features together make it more than just a gadget. DJI isn't just competing with GoPro or Insta360. They are creating a new space in the market, a category for ultra-compact, wearable, everyday cameras. With the Nano, DJI is positioning itself as a leader in this new direction, giving creators, travelers, and everyday users a tool that feels fresh and exciting. As the official launch draws near, the only question left is simple: will you be picking up the DJI Osmo Nano when it finally hits the shelves?